And today we review the 2022 Indian Challenger. Some specs and details. Stay tuned on POWAMOTO and subscribe today.
Introducing POWAMOTO, the series, and as I showcase reviews.
You fake YouTubers, it's on!
And I came to raw.
POWAMOTO Indian 2022 Challenger on POWAMOTO. He's doing it. The Indian, he's doing it. Nice to meet you. I'm Sky. Steve. Yeah. Oh, I like the gauges, bro. It's so it's like you got the old school gauges up here.
Yeah, and then digital stuff.
Nice. Tell me about this bike.
Well, it's a 22. It's 122 horsepower.
122 horsepower. Yeah, right. 128 foot-pounds of torque.
Yeah.
So that's very well balanced for the rider.
It's very well balanced for a big bike.
Easy to maneuver.
It runs really good.
Runs good. Smooth, right, with the shifts? Well, let's go for a ride, man.
Shortly after its introduction in 2020, the Indian Challenger became one of the most popular options in the power cruiser niche. It's one of the most capable motorcycles in the 2022 Indian motorcycle lineup, and the American manufacturer has equipped it with the best it has to offer. With its sight-selling rivals like the Harley Davidson, the 2022 Indian Challenger features a powerful engine, saddlebags, and an aggressive front fairing. Powering the Challenger is Indian Motorcycle's new Power Plus 108 engine. It's a 1770cc liquid-cooled V-twin that produces an impressive 122 horsepower and 128 foot-pounds of torque. The engine comes paired to a 6-speed transmission that works alongside an assisted clutch to reduce clutch effort. What an easy motorcycle to ride. The other option with the Indian motorcycle lineup is the Indian Chieftain, which is more for an experienced rider and comes with an air-cooled V-twin engine and not a liquid-cooled V-twin engine. Notice the way that the fairings are attached on the Challenger directly to the frame, where on the Chieftain they're attached to the handlebars. The Indian Challenger features a comprehensive list of rider aids and features, including a 7-inch touchscreen powered by the company's Ride Command system, 3 selectable ride modes, hard saddlebags with over 18 gallons of storage. You'll go far on a Challenger. Adjustable fairing airflow vents and a power windshield that goes up and down. It's amazing. It also has excellent hardware like radically mounted Brembo calipers and a grippy Metzler Cruise Tech tires. For the 2022, the Challenger is available in 2 color schemes, black metallic and titanium smoke. I do like the 2020 3 color schemes in burgundy and blackout models. And the price is reasonable compared to Harley Davidson. The Indian Challenger 2022 is a best buy, not a rented, not a pass, but a best buy at only $24,499. Get test driving yours today.
You like to ride, so you picked a bike you could take on the highway, go far away places, bring to the beach.
I have a Victory at home, which was Polaris. Polaris owned Victory. And when they bought Indian, they killed Victory.
I see.
I've got.
So Polaris owns Indian. They bought Victory.
No, they started Victory.
And they closed it.
They closed it because they bought Indian.
And they made everything under the Indian name.
Yeah, everything. And I got just under 120,000 miles on the one at home. So
cool.
Victory at home.
100.
And this motor was developed by Victory.
So you're telling me your Victory motorcycle got 120,000 miles?
Yes.
Like a car?
Yeah.
You're not messing around, Steve.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hit that playlist, support this channel, fam, and I see you on the next one. If you like this video, check out one of these 2 other similar videos, and thanks for subscribing. We out.
Wow!